So there's another great thing that Velixo Intelligence can do now, which is it can create visuals for you using Excel's visual capabilities. Let's say, for example, I have a revenue by project report that I've built with Velixo. And this is nothing terribly fancy. It expands my project IDs across my columns and it gives me all my different revenue GL accounts, and I can basically see the activity and revenue for each of my different projects for a given period of time. With a simple prompt to Velixo Intelligence, for example, I said on a new tab, create a dashboard of the information on this sheet using visuals to summarize and surface key trends and insights. Intelligence worked through this, used Excel's charting capabilities, and went and produced for me a couple tabs. So the first thing it did is it created the data in a format that was going to work well for Excel's visual capabilities. This is very smart. This is something that a person, of course, would do and may take them much longer than it took Intelligence to do it. And then drawing upon this information, which by the way is all live linked to my source sheet. So if my source sheet changes, all of this changes. Another very smart way to design. And using all this information, created a little simple dashboard for me, which surfaces things like my top 10 projects by revenue, my top 10 revenue types, and used Excel's charting capabilities to graph this data. Let's say that I change something. So I have a little settings tab here where I'm going to change the date and extend it out. Maybe I'm looking at 2 years. So of course, we all know with Velixo, my report here is going to refresh. But what's also going to refresh because it's live linked? Well, my dashboard data and my visuals from my dashboard are all going to refresh. And that's all from this one simple prompt that I gave to Velixo Intelligence. I hope this is helpful. If you want to learn more, please feel free to contact us anytime.